So got a phone call today or yesterday, I guess. We have to go build a ramp really quickly for someone to move a building onto a footing that we poured. Um, yeah, Saturday hungover. That's the vibe, you know. All right, we gotta load up the skid steer now. So we're just pulling up to the shop here. Gonna load up the skiddy, probably just a skiddy and a bucket, and then yeah, head out there. It's about a 15 minute drive. That should be tough now. All right, we just arrived at the shop. We'll grab the skid steer and load it up. I don't think we need to take anything else out there. Maybe get some fuel. Yeah, we should grab fuel. All right, we'll probably see you when we're loading up.
Hey, they didn't think I would do it, but I did it. Really having this shit, really winning. Was time that I thought I'd forever be sinning and spinning whatever to stand on the business. But God bless the game, did it all but a sinner. All the shots they let off, but they ain't hitting. All the shots we let off, they ain't mentioned was hitting. Go ask why he's fighting them living. Never change, I'm the same as just in me. The only thing changes the pay for my video. Can't forget about the diamonds and chains on my pendant was starving, but now we each stay for a minute. If we ever fell out, you was fake or a beat. Niggas quick to switch sides, don't be standing on shit. But yet I'm the biggest, ain't changing my click rep to six. Disrespect to get put in that dick. I came up off the rap, no price.
You know what I hate when people don't treat my binders with respect.
A few moments later.
I should throw the cover on the windshield.
Yeah.
Pretty slick. Oh, we'll just not use it.
I would use it.
Yeah, there's no way of fastening it.
Well, we could figure something out, a little maybe ratchet strap or something.
It's a pain in my ass.
But you know what's even more pain in the ass?
Broken windshield. That's a rhetorical question. I wish they made it like magnet or something. Theoretically, we could go around 30 kilometers an hour. You can jump on the box of the truck, open the back door, climb in through the truck. And then the atmospheric pressure, the CFMs of the actual window just like pressurizes. It'll almost create like a vacuum type seal. Create atmospheric pressure, negative atmospheric pressure inside of the cab, pulling the actual cover. Yeah.
Okay, let's go get the generator.
Yeah. But for real, do we have in the store bungee cords? We should.
We sell new ones there.
We'll go buy some.
4 new ones.
Alright, we're just pulling up to our little lumberyard store. We are in search of some bungee cords in order for us to be able to keep the windshield cover on the windshield. We need bungee cords. We'll get some. Where are the bungee cords? If you were a bungee cord, where would you be? We need these lengths. 4. Oh boy, Annika's gonna be mad. It's the last ones. I just spent $4. I got 4 bungee cords. That's what you get for $4. Isn't that a steal of a deal? Fuck. It's like I ain't going nowhere. little crooked, but there. Get to. All right, we'll see you guys at the job site. I guess we'll hit the site and then unload the machinery. And then, yeah, see you at job site. The chain here. Give her a little. Alright, so about 6 months ago we poured this footing. I guess almost like a grade beam, but more of a footing. And our goal for today is the movers, they're moving a building onto here instead of building one here. So mover wants to come, drive straight over it and straight through it. So I'm gonna build a ramp up to here. Yeah, I think we have enough gravel in path. Pretty solid, eh?
Yeah.
Because we have some natural compaction now with it being sat out for a while. Get the Bluetooth going in here. Whatever, if we get copyrighted, we get copyrighted. Think about it.
Now we'll cut to you playing a good song.
Okay. You can rely on the old man's money. You can rely on the old man's money.
It's a bitch, girl, but it's gone too far, cause you know it don't matter anyway. Say money, money won't get you too far, get you too far. And don't you know that it's wrong to take what is given you so far gone on your own. But you can get along if you try to be strong, but you'll never be strong. Cause you're a rich girl and you're gone too far, cause you know it don't matter anyway. You can rely on the old man's money. You can rely on the old man's money. It's a bitch, girl, and it's gone too far, cause you know it don't matter anyway. So money, money won't get you too far, get you too far. High and dry, out of the rain. It's so easy to hurt others when you can't feel pain. And don't you know that a love can't grow? Cause it's too much to give, cause you'd rather live for the thrill of it all. Oh, you're a rich girl, and you're gone too far, cause you know it don't matter anyway. And you can rely on the old man's money. You can rely on the old man's money. It's a bitch, girl, and it's gone too far, cause you know it don't matter anyway. Say money, money won't get you too far. Say money, money won't get you too far. Say money, money won't get you too far, get you too far. And you say you can rely on the old man.
Well, I think that's more than I'm pulling off of a ramp. It's windy today. Pretty cool. Alrighty, boys. I think we might go on a quick little detour of the day. I actually found something cool that I think we're gonna go purchase. Let's get it going. It's a freaking RC helicopter with a gas motor. This thing's got carbon fiber blades, and allegedly this thing's hard to fly. And I think we're gonna see if it is hard to fly or if it's easy to fly. And the guy's just a retard. A special type of fuel. What's it called there, Alan?
Nitromethane.
Nitromethane. If that doesn't excite you, I don't know what will. Yeah, and then it will film us trying to fly the thing. Yeah, you know, there's a high probability that we will crash it within the first 10 minutes of flying it.
Just like our last two drones.
Yeah, just like our last 2 droves. Oh, I don't know. We'll talk to you guys on the way there, and then when we get there, we'll show you guys what's up. Yeah, little detour of the day, but can't be work. You gotta have some fun, and I think this will be really fun.
And the books and all the extra shit I bought for it. This is a glow igniter thing.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have just a straight one, but I used to. What I bought was these things, and then I just soldered this to a one because it is only 1.5 volt.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and then it clips right on the glow plug in there, so it goes in the back like this. These are reversed. That's why if you look at this end, it's taped.
Yeah.
So instead of all my other crap was positive in the middle,
Yeah.
this one is backwards.
Oh.
This plugs into here,
Yeah.
and then this one plugs
Oh,
into
yeah,
the
yeah.
radio on the side
So
here.
how do you know what the battery life is on the helicopter?
Well, you got to buy either a meter. You can
Okay.
plug in a thing, and it'll.
So can we just plug like a voltmeter in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like if you go to a RC hobby shop, they'll have all kinds of little fucking doodads. And last time I had it running was about well, not. Or maybe it was last spring.
Yeah.
Yeah, even the fucking rubber bands are screwed. And those are just double A's warming up. As you get up to about half throttle,
Yeah.
like not even, a quarter throttle blades will start spinning.
Yeah.
And it's spinning like a bitch. Like, I mean, fast. You can't even see them turning. And then as you go up more,
Yeah.
that's where the collective changes angle, and then
Okay.
it starts lifting. So that's basically kind of where you fly it.
Yeah.
If you push it all the way up, it'll just shoot like a bastard straight up. Like, you can set it so that up here, 3/4 is where it starts to lift.
Yeah.
And then if you pull it down,
Yeah.
well, then you can flip the fucking thing upside down, and then it'll fly upside down, right?
Holy shit. Yeah.
Like, it'll do all kinds of crazy shit if
Yeah,
you're
I'm
good
not
at
gonna
it.
be trying that, but maybe one day, right?
Oh! Oh! And I go all the way back, and then I go, fuck it. And then I bring it, and I just land the son of a bitch. I go, fuck it, it's Stu.
Alright, so ended up going to buy an RC helicopter. Now we're playing golf. And there are people in front of us that are playing really slow. And I'm gonna deliver them a message. So I'm gonna deliver them. They're right fucking back here now. They were up there, now they're back here. It's ridiculous. Got blow right over their head. I will. Alright, so let's send him a letter via. We should start like a new mailing company called like Airball. Like something like that.
And we just rifle golf balls at people's houses
Yeah, like you deliver
with a little message.
If you're mad at someone,
You can pay us.
pay me. Like, yeah, we'll write a message on the golf ball, and we'll hit it at their house, their truck, their like their heads if you wanted to. But
That's extra.
yeah, it's a little extra, but you prefer them to read the message and not die.
Or else it's pointless to send it.
Let's see here. Did you see that?
No.
Did you didn't even see the ball?
No.
That was ridiculously good.
Good.
Wow. That definitely got to them. That later. Oh, I gotta ask. They will read that. Oh.